Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Instagram collaboration feature on iPhone or Android. Let's go! So let's open up the Instagram application and create a new post. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom panel and select what you wish to post. Let's say this picture. Then tap on next at the top right. Make your adjustments, add music, text, whatever you need, and tap on next once again. Now you need to tap on tag people and invite collaborators. Now search for a person you wish to invite and tap on done. Once again, make your adjustments over here, adjust your settings and tap on share. Now share your post. Now new post is ready, you can check it in your profile, here it is. After this, the person you invited will receive the private message with your invitation. So let's open the private messages, tap on new message and accept the invitation. Accept. Then you will receive a message that the person accepted your invitation, and let's tap on our new post. Let's refresh the page first. Tap on new post and now you see the collaborator's name next to yours. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.